Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to a tool that's going to completely change the way you build websites and sales funnels. It's called GoBuildrr, and it's available right now on WarriorPlus for an exclusive deal. If you've ever struggled with creating professional-looking websites or funnels without coding or design skills, this tool is about to make your life so much easier. Let's dive in. GoBuildrr is an all-in-one website and funnel builder designed to help you create stunning, high-converting pages in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or freelancer, this tool is packed with features that will save you time and money. Let's break it down. Here's what makes GoBuildrr a must-have tool: drag-and-drop builder. No coding or design skills needed. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create custom websites and funnels. Pre-built templates. Choose from dozens of professionally designed templates for websites, sales funnels, landing pages, and more. Just customize them to fit your brand. AI-powered tools. Use AI to generate content, optimize your pages for SEO, and even create stunning visuals. One-click publishing. Publish your pages with a single click and go live in seconds. Built-in analytics. Track your page performance with built-in analytics and make data-driven decisions to improve conversions. Mobile-friendly designs. Every page you create is fully responsive and looks great on all devices. Integrations. Seamlessly integrate with popular tools like email marketing platforms, payment gateways, and more. So why should you use GoBuildrr? Here are the top benefits. Save time. Build websites and funnels in minutes instead of hours or days. Save money. No need to hire expensive developers or designers. Increase conversions. Professionally designed templates and AI tools help you create high-converting pages. User-friendly. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Affordable. Compared to other website builders, GoBuildrr is a steal, especially with the WarriorPlus deal. Now, here's the best part. GoBuildrr is available on WarriorPlus for an exclusive deal. You can get lifetime access to this incredible tool at a fraction of the regular price. There are multiple tiers available, so you can choose the plan that fits your needs. But hurry, WarriorPlus deals don't last forever, and this one is too good to miss. Ready to start building stunning websites and funnels in minutes? Click the link in the description below to grab your lifetime deal on GoBuildrr from WarriorPlus. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.